Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Honda HR-V can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let's take a look at how we completed this install. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. You may need to begin your installation with the lowering of an underbody panel. It will be present on the front-wheel drive models. This all-wheel drive model does not have one. You will also need to follow directions to make a trim to that underbody panel. For the rest of us, we'll move on to step 2, which is lowering the exhaust. Support the exhaust using a strap. Remove 2 rubber isolators, one on each side of the exhaust. Use soapy water if needed, and exhaust hanging pliers or a flathead screwdriver. We're now ready to fish wire our 7/16 hardware into the driver's side framework. Insert the coiled end of your fish wire into your mounting location and bring it to your access location. Place on the carriage spacer and push it into the vehicle frame, and then thread on your 7/16 carriage bolt. Push it into the vehicle frame and then pull the hardware into position. We're now ready to raise the hitch into position. I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, I would recommend getting a second set of hands. Make sure you pass your fish wire through the hitch's mounting location while you raise it into position. The next piece of hardware will be our U-bolt that we're going to place in the tow hook before we move forward with the passenger side hardware. Pass the U-bolt over the tow hook so it pokes through the hitch, and we will apply the locking washer, the flat washer, and the hex nut. First, place on a flat washer. Second, your locking washer, followed by the hex nut. Use a pair of pliers to bend the 1/2 inch of metal 90 degrees upward. Pass the handle nut into the access location. You can now thread in your hex bolt with a conical tooth washer. Make sure the teeth face the hitch. On the driver's side, you will use the 7/16 hex nut and a 7/16 conical tooth washer. Again, the teeth always face the hitch. We are now ready to tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer specifications, which I will link in the description below. We're going to begin with our 3/4 inch socket and a short extension for the 2 hardwares in the frame. You can now switch to your 11/16 socket, change your torque setting, and tighten the tow hook hardware. Tighten them evenly from side to side before achieving torque to keep the U-bolt even. You can now return your exhaust back to its hanging position. Remove your exhaust strap. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 3 inches. From the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 14 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can even download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.